Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide everyone how to download the game Resident Evil for Remake on a PC or laptop so everyone can play it. First, everyone open a browser for me. Next, go to the official website of Steam. I'll put the website link down in the video description. When you click on the link, it will take you to this page. Then, everyone click on Install Steam. Choose Install Steam. Once the Steam installer is downloaded, everyone will left-click here to proceed with the installation. Choose Yes. Choose Next. Choose Next. Choose Install. Choose Finish. Everyone log into your Steam account. If anyone doesn't have a Steam account, create one. After logging into your Steam account, everyone will search for the game Resident Evil for Remake here. This is the game Resident Evil for Remake. Everyone click on it. Choose View Page. To download Resident Evil for on your computer, you need to purchase the game. Here, there will be a demo version for everyone to try. If you want to purchase the game, click on Add to Cart. Choose View My Cart. Choose Continue to Payment. Everyone can use a Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing the game, it will be in your library. Everyone will see the game Resident Evil for Remake here. Everyone click on it. Choose Install to start downloading and installing the game on your computer. Once the installation is complete, everyone can play Resident Evil for Remake on their computer.